Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if profile views option is not showing up on your TikTok. So as here you can see the profile view option is available on my profile, and if it is not available on your TikTok, here I will show you how can you fix it. So before that, simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to open settings in your device. And now you have to tap on general, and now scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage and tap on TikTok and offload your TikTok app for one time from here. So I simply offload the app, and after this go back and now tap on App Store and search here for TikTok. So as if you're using Android phone, then you have to search the new TikTok in your Play Store. So as here it is the TikTok, and now you have to download and install the latest version of TikTok app in your device. So I do this, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem and the profile view option is not available, then open TikTok and tap on three lines button. From here tap on settings and privacy, scroll it below and tap on report a problem, and from here scroll it below again, and from here tap on submit a report. So guys, from here you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way that the profile views option is not available on your TikTok. So guys, after this you have to add a screenshot as well from here, and after this you have to submit this report to the TikTok team. So guys, once you send this report, hopefully the TikTok team will try to help you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.